Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I have another brand new holiday book to share with you today. And this book is Merry Christmas. It's written by E.G. Keller and it's published by Abrams Books. And we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, Murphy, do you want to find out what Merry Christmas is all about? How about you? Are you ready to find out? Let's get started. What do we have here? We've got dogs and pigs. Merry Christmas. Murray was a very good boy. He loved his humans and he loved his home and he really loved his job. And his tag says Paw Patrol. He took his job seriously, very seriously. Nothing could come between him and the humans he loved. And he's barking at cats and birds and the wind, kind of like you. They bark at all those things. One day, he was making his rounds when the humans did the most peculiar thing. They planted a tree in the living room. Can you imagine that? Murray was troubled by how quickly his home changed after that. The house was no longer safe. Threats lurked everywhere. He snatched a flashy snake. He chomped on the army of tiny, admittedly tasty people. He gurred at the smelly sticks. So what do we have here? He went after lights and gingerbread people and candles. Doesn't like any of them. He pulled at the laundry that was wrongly hung on the fireplace. And he hurried to drown out the terrible sounds coming from the front stoop. So, doesn't like stockings or Christmas carolers. But Murray's home wasn't the only thing that had changed. Uh-oh, more change. And a peculiar person began popping up everywhere. Who was this guy? Murray's humans seemed to love him, but Murray was not impressed. Santa. Doesn't like Santa. On a snowy night, after one last patrol of the house, creak. Him. Uh-oh, Santa's in his house. Look out. Do you see him? He's chasing him all over the house in all these pictures. Ben, do you think that's what our dogs would do? Do you think that's what our dogs do to Santa? Yeah. The mess. What would happen when everyone woke up tomorrow? This wouldn't do at all. So look, Santa and Murray cleaned up the whole house and they even shared cookies. Though he couldn't understand why this odd fellow simply didn't use the front door like everyone else, Murray began to see why everyone liked him so much. And the next morning, there was even a gift for Murray. To Murray from Santa Claus. And do you know what the tag says now? The tag says, very helpful dog. And look, there's a squirrel. And you know what I'll bet's gonna happen? I'll bet Murray's gonna bark at him. The end. So, what did you think about this story? It made me laugh because I'll bet that's what my dogs think every year when we bring a tree into the house. What are we doing? So let me know. Do you have a dog? Does your dog get confused by Christmas? I will be back on Thursday with another brand new holiday book to share. So until then, everybody have a great couple days, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.